Leading risk governance practices for organizations to mitigate threats. Effective risk governance is more important than building resilience against cyber threats in the quickly evolving.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
In corporate world of today, long-term performance depends on an organization's capacity to manage and reduce the variety of risks it faces, including supply chain interruptions and cyber attacks. This blog will examine cutting-edge strategies that businesses may use to safeguard stability and resilience in the face of uncertainty by managing and mitigating a range of risks.
Understanding risk governance. The structure that an organization uses to identify, evaluate, manage, and reduce risks in order to accomplish its goals is known as risk governance. Risk governance includes the more comprehensive structures, regulations, and monitoring mechanisms that direct risk management operations, in contrast to risk management, which concentrates on the procedures and techniques for managing particular risks. Good risk governance makes ensuring that risk management is in line with the strategic objectives of the company, improving decision-making and encouraging a proactive response to any threats. Benefits of effective risk governance. Improved decision-making. Informed decisions based on comprehensive risk assessments. Enhanced resilience. Ability to withstand and recover from disruptions. Regulatory compliance. Adherence to laws and regulations through structured risk management. Stakeholder confidence. Increased trust from investors, customers, and partners. Establishing a risk management framework. A strong risk management framework is essential for successful risk governance. This framework defines the structure and methods required to discover, analyze, prioritize, and manage risks in a systematic manner. Key components of a risk management framework. Risk identification. Identifying potential risks that could impact the organization. Risk assessment. Evaluating the likelihood and impact of identified risks. Risk prioritization. Ranking risks based on their potential effect on the organization. Risk mitigation. Developing strategies to minimize or eliminate risks. Monitoring and review. Continuously monitoring risks and the effectiveness of mitigation strategies. Integrating risk management into organizational culture. For risk governance to be effective, risk management procedures must be ingrained in corporate culture. All workers will be aware of the value of risk management and will actively contribute to risk mitigation if there is a risk-conscious culture in place. 1. Steps to develop and implement a risk management framework. Establish objectives. Align risk management objectives with organizational goals. Identify risks. Conduct risk assessments across all business areas. Analyze and prioritize. Evaluate risks and prioritize based on severity. Develop mitigation plans. Create action plans to address high-priority risks. Implement and monitor. Execute mitigation plans and monitor their effectiveness regularly. Review and improve. Continuously review and refine the risk management framework. 2. Promoting a risk-aware culture. Communication. Regularly communicate the importance of risk management to all employees. Training. Provide training and resources to help employees understand and manage risks. Leadership support. Ensure that leadership visibly supports and prioritizes risk management initiatives. 3. Benefits of a risk-aware workforce. Proactive risk identification. Employees are more likely to identify and report risks early. Enhanced collaboration. Cross-functional collaboration to address risks effectively. Increased resilience. A collective approach to risk management strengthens organizational resilience. Key risk governance practices. 1. Evolving cyber threats and vulnerabilities. Cyber threats are ever-changing in today's digital environment. With strong cybersecurity risk management procedures, organizations must remain ahead of these threats. Cybersecurity risk management. Implement comprehensive cybersecurity policies and procedures. Continuous monitoring. Regularly monitor systems for vulnerabilities and potential threats. Incident response. Develop and test incident response plans to ensure quick and effective action in the event of a cyber attack. 2. Managing supply chain risks. Supply chain disruptions can significantly impact operations. Effective supply chain risk management is crucial to mitigate these risks. Risk identification. Identify potential vulnerabilities in the supply chain. Mitigation strategies. Develop strategies to address and reduce supply chain risks. Collaboration and transparency. Foster collaboration and transparency with suppliers to enhance supply chain resilience. 3. Addressing environmental and sustainability challenges. Environmental risks and sustainability challenges are increasingly important in today's business environment. Organizations must manage these risks to protect their reputation and ensure long-term success. Sustainability risk management. Integrate environmental considerations into risk management practices. Alignment with goals. Ensure that sustainability goals align with overall risk management strategies. Community engagement. Engage with communities and stakeholders to address environmental concerns. 4. Understanding digital transformation risks. Digital transformation initiatives come with their own set of risks. Managing these risks is essential to achieve successful outcomes. Risk assessment. Evaluate risks associated with new digital initiatives. Mitigation plans. Develop strategies to mitigate digital transformation risks. Technology enablement. Leverage technology to support and enhance risk management efforts.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.